Hi, I am here in the Go Indie test kitchen and we are working with the Greenstar Elite Juicer today. We're going to be making a recipe from the Living with Greenstar cookbook, which is fantastic. We're making yummy in the tummy juice. That's carrots, parsley, celery, and apples. First thing we're going to do is put it together, which is super easy. The gears go on first and they go together so that the one single dot goes between the double dot. Put it onto the machine. Put on the gear housing. And then the screen, you select your screen. And this one, for this recipe, we're using the fine screen so it will get less pulp. And then casing, snap this closed. Put on the safety hood, and it's ready to go. Now it's time to make the juice. Turn on the Greenstar and go for it. This is the plastic blender, which you can use and push down the fruit or the vegetable, and it won't go down to the gears. But then, if you want to get the very last bit of it, you can use the wooden one, and it can go all the way down, but won't hurt the gears. If you find that the juice is not ejecting, you might want to open up the juicer knob a couple turns, and that's good for soft fruits like apple. In goes the celery. The great thing about the Greenstar is that greens go through, leafy greens go through, like it just sucks them right in. And with the 3-stage process, it crushes and cuts, mixes and presses, and makes delicious juice. It's done. Pour it into a cute little glass. It's so fresh and delicious and easy.